Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to Rukias kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make these tasty peanut cookies known as Labania and njugu in Kiswahili. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please kindly do so you don't get to miss any of my videos each and every week. Then stay tuned to enjoy my recipe. On today's ingredients, you're going to need roasted peanut about 900 grams, 3 cups of sugar, which is approximately to 650 grams, 900 milliliter of water, which is approximately to 4 cups, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, and lastly 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder. So the first step, I'm going to grind my peanuts. I'm going to put a small amount in the food processor and I'm going to grind them for approximately 2 to 3 minutes. So after about 2 to 3 minutes, your peanuts should be powdered like this. Then you're going to place them in a bowl and continue with the rest. I'm done blending or grinding my peanuts, so it's high time to make our peanut cookies. In a medium-large bowl, you're going to add 4 cups of water, which is approximately to 900 milliliter, 3 cups of sugar, which is approximately to 650 grams, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, and lastly 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder, and mix everything well and let the syrup to cook till it becomes sticky. Let the syrup to cook on a medium heat till it becomes less and sticky. It took me about 25 to 30 minutes till the syrup became sticky like this. Lastly, you're going to add the grinded peanuts. You're going to add slowly by slowly while mixing till everything is well combined. Make sure you reduce the fire on a low heat so it doesn't stick at the bottom, and let it cook till it becomes thick. The mixture should be thick like this. It took me about 5 to 7 minutes till the mixture became like this, then remove it from the fire. On a working surface, you're going to apply some oil. Then afterwards, pour the peanut mixture on top of the working surface. Using a spatula, you're going to spread the peanut mixture evenly. So I decided to take a roller so I can able to spread the peanut mixture evenly into a round shape. Using a butter spatula and a plastic spatula, I'm going to shape my cookies by slightly putting some lines so I can able to cut my cookies. Once I'm done making some lines, then afterwards I'm going to cut my peanut cookies into medium-sized pieces. Once the peanut cookies have dried completely, I'm going to use a knife so I can able to cut them deeply and to separate my peanut cookies. Lastly, separate your peanut cookies slowly by slowly to avoid from breaking them. Then afterwards, serve them on a plate. And my soft and tasty peanut cookies are ready, as you can see in the video. They are so tasty. You can eat along with a cup of coffee or tea and enjoy your peanut cookies. Place your peanut on a tight container and they can last for approximately 1 month. Thank you for watching my video and hope you loved it. And if you want to see other recipes, I'll put the links in the description box. And if you have any questions, you can comment down below, or you can follow me on my social media, Facebook and Instagram, Rukias Kitchen, for further questions. And thank you once again. Bye bye.